Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So, I have a brilliant parcel to open today, and this one has been sent to me, topdiamondart.com. It's a new company to me, I've not tried them before. I was contacted by them and they said, would I like to choose a product to show on my channel? Yes, of course. I love showing products on my channel, and particularly new companies as well, new to me companies. And yeah, so this is what I got. I looked on the website, there are some fantastic things, and they have been kind enough to send me a 10% discount coupon as well. I'll pop it on the screen and I'll put it in the links down below, but if you use all lowercase LIZHA, you will get 10% off your purchase. So it's worth going to the website and having a look. 10% off is always great to have. Yay! So we have a lovely diamond painting that I got to choose. And yeah, there was lots and lots of different sizes. For this canvas, I had the choice of either exclusively round or exclusively square. And they go from a 20 centimetre by 30 to a 70 by 90 centimetres. So you've got plenty of scope there. And yeah, so you can choose anything in between in squares or rounds, which is brilliant because a lot of companies, all you get is this is the canvas we've got, this is what it comes in, and this is the size. Whereas this you get to choose, which is wonderful. It's always good to have a choice. I do like having the choice. Okay, so let's have a look at this canvas. I decided to get a nice fresh one, sunny. So I think you'll see what I mean when I get it out. I'll just open it this way. Okay, oh, the drills are all in little bags. Okay, not my favourite, I have to say. There is nothing wrong with the drills that come in these bags. It is just literally that it's a bit more work for kitting up. But they look lovely colours, and they do look very nice quality as well. I'm not sure whether they are resin or acrylic drills. I will double check with them. I'm not really sure. Okay, right. So, I've got a key code as well. Let me show you the picture first. Whoops. Okay, so it is, look, I'm back on, toolkit, okay, I'm back on Starry Night again, look, but with sunflowers. How great is that? Just really, really good. They do have a team of dedicated designers, I have been told, and they do use Photoshop to bring out the best in the painting, so that when they chart it, it comes out to the best as it can be. So that is really good as well. And yeah, so it's 22 colours. The key code is there. It has got number 1 is 1, but number 4 is 2. So I will mention that to them, because that's something that my brain's not very good at, sort of like count. My brain's not brilliant at working with number 4 is number 2 and number 7 is number 3. I would prefer that if that was 1, 2, 3. It may be to do with their factory settings, but again, that's something that I'd prefer not to have. And then we have got DMC codes as well, which is great. Okay. The drill field is exceptionally clear. I mean, look at that. Even on all that big dark colour down in that corner, you can see that white there, and there is no blurriness whatsoever on any of this. I've been looking at it and I can't see anything. They look so nice and clear, and it's one of these that has got an edge look top and bottom, so it's got just one colour running all the way across there at the top, and then all the way, and then all the way across the bottom. So it's got like a border edge, which I do like those border edges. It does make it just stand out that little bit more. Let's just give it a bit of a flatten. It is poured glue, which is great. We do like our poured glue. It is a little bit more forgiving than double-sided tape. I think you can see by the way the cover sheet is going down that there is plenty of stick. Okay, but I do like this picture. I just love, I mean, I do like my Starry Night. As you know, I've done a few Starry Nights. And I do like sunflowers, so I thought, yay, when they asked me if I'd like to choose a canvas, having a look through, I saw this and I thought, yeah, that's got my name written all over it. That is definitely one that I would like to try. Okay, so there's no branding or anything on it, which is a shame. Maybe that's something that will come later on, but I do like the picture. Right, let's have a look at this toolkit. This is a step up from a basic toolkit. This looks really good. Okay, so let's have a look. Oh, lots of nice little grip seal bags. So what have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 grip seal bags, so always a very handy. Not your 22 to get all your colours in, but I do kit up anyway, but it's always handy to have them. I do use them a lot. So we have our little green tray, which is our standard tray, which is fine. Everything you need to do your painting. You've got 4 places, one of the new 4 places, one of the thinner plastic ones, and I know it's a 4 because it says so on it. And then your single placer there. We've got a nice little cushion grip, pen grip, to go on your pink pen. So if you've got any dexterity problems, or if you're working in particularly hot weather, which I believe it is in Australia at the moment, we have our winter, they have their summer opposite. So yeah, I mean, if your hands get a little bit sticky, yeah, you've got that extra grip there on it. Okay, we have some tweezers, which are the, oh, actually they're pretty good. Yeah, they're the better quality tweezers than some of the ones you get. These aren't real, some of them you get are really bendable, but that's got quite a bit of strength there to it. It's got the little cap on the end, which I've just lost, which I'll probably never find again. Oh, it's just popped off the desk. I'll find something to keep these together, but it's your bent tweezers. So I do prefer, actually, if you are trying to pick drills up, I do prefer the bent tweezers. I find if you're using them as like the pointed ones, I do find that they just sort of fly off. It's personal preference, obviously, but yes, quite handy. Say the cheaper end of the market tweezers, but they are good. I must admit, that's not bending at all. So yeah, that's good. We've got our little bit of red wax, which is the better wax. And then this, I don't think I've had one of these in a toolkit before. And yeah, it's a little mini straightener, which is wonderful. It's very slim as well. So particularly if you're starting off your diamond painting in your edges, you can butt your drills up to it as you go along so that you can keep them in nice straight lines. Or if you find you're going a little bit wonky, you can run this, because it is nice and thin at the edge. You can run it down your drills just for your straight lines, just to put everything back into straight lines. So that's excellent. And it's got a hole so that you can hang it from something as well, so you don't lose it. Quite handy probably to put if you've got like a little diamond painting cart or something, or hang it on the wall next to you where you're diamond painting. So yeah, quite impressed with that little toolkit. I say something a bit different. I do like trying different and seeing what we've got. Okay, so pop those back in there. But that is really, really pretty. Let's give it a measure. I've got a funny feeling this is a true 30 by 40 as well. So let me have a look. So, yeah, it is. It's just a smidge under 40 centimetres, the drill area. Which is about 16 inches, and it is, yeah, just a, oh, it is actually, do you know, it's dead on 30 centimetres that way, which is your 12 inches. So excellent. So it is a full proper 30 by 40 painting. Yeah, this will definitely be going on the wall when I get it done. After Christmas, I will do a kit up video on this as well, and we will get working on it, because as I say, with it being a new company to me, I do want to give them a go and see what their paintings are like, see what the drills are like. Okay, so wow, look at that. Excellent. So we've got our lovely inventory sheet. It's all been checked off. Look, what have we got the most drills of? So we've got the most of 939, which is your dark blue, and we have 2,800 of those. And then 3842, which is another dark blue. We've got 2,400 of those. And ooh, there is no 310s in this. Wow. Okay, 801, which is a darker brown. We've got 1,000 of those. So yeah. Okay, what I suggest you do if you do get an inventory sheet from a company is actually check off your drills and just go through and make sure that you've got your correct packets. I will do that off camera, I won't do it now. But it looks as though they've checked them off, but it is always better to check them yourself. You don't want to get too sort of, if you're leaving your canvas for a few months or anything like me, it can be up to a year. Before you do it and then suddenly find that you're missing some drills. Yeah, it's always better to check. This is really nice quality as well. Look at that picture. I think this has been laser printed as well, and then you've got your diamond painting instructions there as well. Really good. I think the only thing they need to do is probably add the logo to it, Top Diamond Art, onto it, just to let people know where it's from. Okay, so let's have a look at these drills in this huge packet. Okay, lovely colours. Ooh, right. So, oh, right, that's not been printed brilliantly. This is the other thing with these little packets. Try not to handle them too much because these numbers can come off. You don't want to lose your numbers, because particularly the sort of like smaller amounts, the lesser amounts, there's quite a few that have got like 2 or 3. It's not like we've got 14 bags of that one and 16 of that one. If you didn't have a number, then you'd be able to find it easily. But yeah, certainly with these, so yeah, just be careful with those. So we've got a nice sort of palish colour there. We've got our lovely blue colour, which yeah, I tend to find I have to take these out of the bags to be able to read them when they've got the black on. Okay, we've got another blue colour, and that's your 939. Look at that. It does look black in this light, but it is actually the dark blue 939s. Okay, and then our nice sunny oranges and yellows, your warm colours, just really pretty. Okay, there. I'm not going to get these back in the bag as neatly as they were. Like your brownie colour. Oh, look at that aqua colour, and then another purpley blue colour there, and that's like a denimy blue colour, and a slightly darker colour, and that's peppermint cream green. Okay, and then we've got our greens, and then that's like a greeny blue colour, and a slightly lighter green there, and a grass green, just one little packet. Okay, no hot pink in this one though. And then your oranges, yellowy orange, and then a sort of, oh, that's a really nice orangey colour, tangerine colour, that one. And a little bit of grey, and another little blue on its own, a little bit of brown, and a little bit of like a mustardy colour. So yeah, quite a few different colours there. So they do look nice. I can't see, let me look at the darker colour. Can't see particularly any trash. They do all look nice and round, and they're certainly very clean bags. That's one thing I don't like, is when you get like a real dusty drill. Your bags are full of, you know, I don't know, sometimes you seem to get like a coating that has been on the drills, maybe to stop them from sticking together, I don't know. But these haven't got anything like that in them. These are very clear and sparkly. Okay, I told you I wouldn't be able to get them back in the bag how they were. Actually, I will put the inventory sheet in with those as well. Once I've finished filming and I've checked them all off, I will put the inventory sheet in that bag with the drills, and then I know where they belong and what we've got. I'm very impressed with this so far. Any diamond painting, really, you do need to actually put your diamonds on and drill up your painting to see how well it goes and what it looks like when it's finished. But so far so good. So just a first impressions review that I've done. Okay, well, if you've enjoyed looking at this with me, as always, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Don't forget, if you do want to go and check out topdiamondart.com, there is a 10% discount if you use my code, and I'll pop that in the description down below and across the screen as well for you. If you've got any comments or questions, if you leave them in the comments down below for me. And if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would love to have you as part of our little family. And you can do that just by pressing this subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell that pops up. And then you won't miss anything. You'll get to see me kitting this one up after Christmas, and we may be doing some whip and chats on it as well. See what we've got in our schedule for the new year. Lots of exciting things coming up. Okay, well, thank you ever so much for stopping by. Huge thank you to Top Diamond Art for sending me this to have a look at. I do love it. I love the picture. And I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.